Okay, this is a second example for lesson 82. I had mentioned that we could do the natural log as well as the base 10 log, the common log. And so this is an example where the natural log would be the one that we would want to use. I'll remind you again of that log rule that we already applied once. Looks like this. The log of a number raised to a power is the power times the log of that number. Another one is that the log of a product is equal to the sum of the logs of the factors. So we're going to use that one here also. And yes, I wrote common log. It's the same thing for natural log, which is what we're going to use. So this one, we're going to use natural log. We can use natural log a lot of times, but this one we're going to use natural log because we have an e in our equation, and the natural log, remember, is the logarithm with the base e. So it's going to make it a little bit simpler. So we're going to do the natural log of 4 is equal to the natural log of 6e to the 2x plus 3. Here is where this second rule is going to come in. If I'm taking the logarithm of a product, I can take the logarithm of each factor and add it together. So I'm going to have the natural log of 4 is equal to the natural log of 6 plus the natural log of e to the 2x plus 3. This is just a value, so we're going to move him to the other side. So we're going to have the natural log of 4 minus the natural log of 6 is equal to the natural log of e to the 2x plus 3. Like in the previous example, my base here is e, and my number is e to the 2x plus 3. So this value right here is simply 2x plus 3. That is the exponent that I raised the base e to get this right here. So we need our calculator to know what natural log of 4 is, and that's a 1.39. 1.39 minus the natural log of 6 is 1.79. 1.79. So when I subtract that, I'm going to get negative 0.4 equals 2x plus 3. So I move my 3 over. I get negative 3.4 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2, and I get x is equal to, that's going to be a negative. Can I do this in my head? 2 goes into 3 one time. 2 goes into 14 7 times. Negative 1.7. So again, that means that if I go back and multiply 2 times negative 1.7 and I add 3, I'm going to get negative 3.4 plus 3, which is negative 0.4. If I raise e to the negative 0.4 power and I multiply that by 6, I get 4. So I'm confident in that answer. Thank you very much.